MD bylines. They provide us with emerging technologies. They provide us with information about vendors and products. They also analyze purchase orders and service contracts for us. Another resource we have is the AMI standards. AMI is the Association for Advancement of Medical Instrumentation. Their standards cover almost everything in healthcare. Their standards are also part of the ANSI standards, which is American National Standards Institute, and they're harmonized internationally. Some of the things we do are custom things, including this stand we developed for a handheld Doppler, or this cabling diagram for a cart that gets disconnected periodically. This way the users can reconnect it faster. We support several medical networks, including the Welsh Allyn Acuity Network in the non-critical care areas of the hospital, and the cardiac PACS in the cath lab. While these drawings make it look like everything's nice and neat, it often isn't, but we know where they all go. Some of the devices we support are defibrillators, ventilators, dialysis machines, monitors, fetal monitors, hyperthermia machines, scales, TENS units, pumps of many different kinds, including infusion, central stations, and cardiac PACs. Sometimes when equipment comes in, we test it, assemble it. We hate to see it go. We hate to see it get deployed out on the floors. It's like our children going off to kindergarten. One of the things we have is on the hospital intranet under department postings, biomedical, is what we affectionately call BioWeb. And within this resource, we have an online user guides that's available to anybody within the hospital. As you scroll over the description, you'll see a picture pops up on the side. And if you click on the description, it opens a PDF file, and the caregiver can then research it, find out whatever they want to find out about the device, or they can print it for future reference. Another thing we have is emergency responses for equipment failures. With this, we work with each department, and we review this annually so that the users know what to do when when and if their equipment has any issues, where to get a replacement, who to call. We also have a link here for FDA and other resources. We have the National Patient Safety Goals on there. We have other resources for some of the committees in there. We have a link for training. Within that, we have a lot of training programs that come with some of the products that we have so that anybody has access to. And we also have some resources for some of the committees that we serve on, posted on there. It might not win any awards for website, but it really gets the job done. So on behalf of my staff and me, I would like to say thank you for the support from the board and administration in giving us the resources that we need to function and keep the equipment working and safe. And with that, I say thank you.
Wow.
A lot to handle. Yeah. That's very impressive. Very impressive.
I do have a question. Many, many years ago, I was working at a hospital that did have a, I guess, a biomechanical failure in the operating suite of all places, and there was a burn to the patient. Since that time, and you've established all these standards, has the rate of fires gone down or been eliminated?
It has dramatically gone down. I won't tell you it's been eliminated. There is constant ongoing education about fires in an operating room, but they've drastically gone down.
Great, that's good to hear. Thank you.
Okay.
Other questions?
I don't have a question. I just wanted to say that on behalf of the medical staff, we always take the things for granted. And there's so much work goes behind the scenes. And I just wanted to thank you for doing such good work. And when we are there doing in the cath lab or 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 wherever we are, everything works so flawlessly. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.